This is like a second review of the same product. So I got this, I initially did a review, and then I've been wearing it for about a week or so, and I realized there's something that I really left out of the initial conversation, which is the app. And so this is a wearable pulsometer. You have the app running on the side so you can see what it looks like. The app is free, and I have found the functionality, particularly, it is so simple to connect to their devices, to be really outstanding. Plus you have an unlimited amount of storage so that you can share this information with your medical professional if you need to, or if you're keeping a record, because this device could be perfect if you are a highly tuned marathon running athlete and you need to know about your oxygen use, your heart rate while you're working out. This is a great platform to do that. Or if you're somebody who has a little bit of the beginning of a medical issue and you need to be watching your O2 level, in particular when you're sleeping and stuff like this, super comfortable. I'm telling you, I've been using this. I am not an athlete and I do not need to watch my O2 level, but I kind of thought I needed to talk to you about this. So I'm into biking, so I've been wearing it while I'm biking. I've been trying it around the house. I'm sitting here talking to you all Italian style with my hands moving, even though I'm not Italian, I'm just from New York. But in any case, it has been flawless for me. I love the data. I love the way the app works. Super comfortable. I will tell you, I also was a little concerned that this was almost like a little too long. I mean, I know you don't want it to have it tight and pulling, but I kind of felt like it might get stuck on things and snagged and pull, and it just hasn't happened once yet. So you can forget that if that was something you were concerned about in terms of normal life. In any case, this is absolutely, I'll do it with this hand, a full 5 out of 5 of oxygenated blood. Yep, doing just fine. Yeah, great. I really like it, and I hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.